In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your laptop. So let's get started. So to fix this problem, first you're going to have to do the Windows logo plus R, or you can open it from, you can right click on the Windows and you can click run and this tab will show. So after this tab will show, you're going to have to type services dot msc, and after you do that, click OK. So this page will pop up. This page is like the services, and when you get to this page, you're gonna click on anything and click S. So after you'll get to this section of the S, you're gonna scroll down until you find sysmain, which is kind of that where we're looking for. Sysmain is the pattern that connects, like after you open your laptop, like every day if you open a browser, Google Chrome, if you open it every day, it will automatically open it for you in Windows. So I don't think so many people will need this, and it's one of the problems that causes hard disk to be on 100%. So after you get to this one, you're gonna have to right click on it and click stop. Then after you right click on it, click stop, you right click on it again and click properties. And you click on startup type, and after you get here, you click on disables and you click apply. After you do that, the next step is to go on C. So because like click on anything and click C, and over here we'll get to C. So when you get to C, you search for connected device platform service, this one. So when you get to this one, you do the same thing, do stop, and after you do properties and you do disable. This one, like, it's not gonna affect your device, like not most people use it, so yeah, and click OK. Now after you finish these steps, next step is you open the Fire Explorer, and after you open it, you scroll down and get to this PC, and most people have SSD, which is the local disk. After you get here to the local disk, you right click on it and click properties. And after you do that, you go to tools, and when you get to tools, you get to this page and you click optimize. Now if it's on, like most people don't have it on, if it's off, turn it on, and if it's on, click on change settings. So when you get to this page, you click on run on a schedule, you disable this and you click OK, and you click close and OK. Next step is you gotta check for updates. Like most of these problems that happen with updates. So you're gonna type here check for updates, and you're gonna click open. And when you get to this page, you get here, if you don't have any updates, you can see. But if you're like me, if you have more updates, you're gonna have to click check for updates, and if it shows you there's updates, do it. Next step is, which is the last step, you right click on the taskbar, and you see this option which is task manager. You click on it, and when you get here, you go to startup apps, and over here you should disable the apps that you do not want, so the apps that you don't need. So this is basically, it's when you start up your device, what apps are going to be opened. So if you have apps over here that you don't need, disable them. But be careful, because some apps are like microphone that you need them when you open your device. So be careful that you don't disable it, and even if you disable it, you can enable it after. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next one.